Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We cooking some bacon wrapped ribs and some stuffed cornbread. Let's get it. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We're gonna cook a pork loin and we're gonna make some steaks out of it. Let's get it. Now I'm gonna use some bamboo sticks to actually secure my bacon around my steak. Oh my God, look at that. Almost finished, y'all. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We're gonna cook some stuffed bell peppers. Another 30-minute meal. Let's get it. Man, let me see what I'm working with. Let's take this out the oven. Oh my God, look at that. Beats me. Oh my God. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? Some stuffed chicken breast with spinach and cream cheese. Let's get it. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Beasting it. Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We cooking some turkey wings or turkey wangs. Let's get it. And look at that, baby. They're really getting a good looking crust on them, okay? Look at that. Ooh. Man, now that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, turkey wangs or turkey wings. Wow. And I got some green beans right here. Look at that, folks. Come on now. Big Daddy Cooking Show. Man, thanks for watching Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You make sure you like, share, subscribe. Last but not least, beasting.